Sham, modern-day Syria.
Muawiyah appointed Yazid as the caliph after him, contrary to the term of agreement with Hassan ibn Ali, of the truce and the conditions that he had agreed upon with Al-Hassan salamullah alayhi. When he appointed Yazid as the Khalifa, he admonished Yazid. He said, I have retrieved the oath of allegiance from all save 4 people. Of them were Al-Hussain ibn Ali. At the death of his father, he immediately dispatched a letter to the governor of Medina, who was also his first cousin, Walid bin Utbah bin Abi Sufyan. The letter read, as soon as you get this letter, summon Hussein and extract the oath of allegiance. Otherwise, put him to death.
Hussein refused it and uttered his famous words that, anyone akin to me will never accept anyone akin to Yazid as a ruler. Hussein departed Medina on Rajab 28, 60 AH, 680 CE, 2 days after Walid's attempt to force him to submit to Yazid's rule. It is mainly during his stay in Mecca that he received many letters from Kufa, assuring him their support and asking him to come over there and guide them. He answered their calls and sent Muslim ibn Aqil, his cousin, to Kufa.
Ibn Abbas comes to Hussein. He says, "O Hussein, stay in Makkah or return to Medina." Imam says, "O Ibn Abbas, these people will seek me, search me out and put me to death in Makkah and Medina. And I do not wish the sanctity of Medina and Makkah to be violated by the spilling of my blood." He said, "O Hussein, then do know that the same fate awaits you on your route to Kufa." He states, "I know this very well."
Endangered by Yazid's assassins and spies, Hussein was unable to complete his Hajj.
He delivered a famous sermon in Kaaba highlighting his reasons to leave, that he didn't want the sanctity of Kaaba to be violated, since his opponents had crossed any norm of decency, and were willing to violate all tenets of Islam. He gave a speech to people the day before his departure and said, "The death is a certainty for mankind, just like the trace of necklace on the neck of young girls. And I am enamored of my ancestors like eagerness of Jacob to Joseph. Everyone who is going to devote his blood for our sake and is prepared to meet Allah, must depart with us."
To preserve the sanctity of the holy city of Mecca, Hussein departed with his family and companions. He began a journey to the city of Kufa in Iraq at their request. There, 1,800 people had pledged their support to Hussein and awaited him.